Hi, I'm Gajendra from Rakhiwala and welcome back to a brand new video about Blue Sound streaming devices. If you're a music lover who started exploring the world of streaming at home, or you've been streaming music using your phone via Bluetooth, then Blue Sound Node Nano is something you will definitely want to check it out. At 35,000, it brings high quality streaming to a price that's more accessible for many listeners. And trust me, this little device is a game changer. A simple, tech-friendly and equipped with an intuitive GUI that makes streaming a breeze. Let's quickly talk about why you need streaming in the first place. The answer is simple. Streaming, you can explore a vast library of music, far more than you could ever do it with your CDs or LPs. More isn't always better, but when it comes to music, having access to such a wide range of new and old tracks is revolutionary. With streaming, you get to discover unfamiliar music. Sometimes you find hidden gems and easily add them to your playlist. All without paying anything extra. Now, here's why the Nano really shines. It frees you from the limitations of Bluetooth, which by design throws away close to about 80% of your data even on your CD quality standards. No Bluetooth system can ever deliver the same level of audio quality as dedicated devices like the Nano. With support for services like Tidal, Cubus, Spotify, the Nano lets you go back to the CD quality audio and even beyond. High-res music which plays up to 24-bit, 192 kilohertz and incredible quality, making every note and every beat sound alive. Here's the secret sauce. The Nano comes with an audiophile crate, ES9039Q2M DAC, known for its breathtaking dynamics and ultra-low distortion. Combined with Hyperstream technology and you're getting the sound quality that is nothing short of magical. You can stream your FLAC, WAVE, AAC, MQA and other high-res music files with unmatched precision. Plus with the USB input, you can even play your audio files directly from an external storage device. With the Node Nano, the Nano is compact and a thoughtfully designed product. It's just about 5.6 inches in width, 5.6 inches in depth and about just 1.4 inches in height, which is smaller than any standard Node. Some features like HDMI eARC input and combined optical input have been removed to make it more streamlined and user friendly. The Nano can be table mounted or can be wall mounted. It has a gem which you can actually wall mount it. And the best part is, though they have reduced the prices, the key USP remains the same. It runs on the BlueOS, which is a rock solid operating system that is as stable and it is easy to use. While the stereo RC output, optical out and coaxial out, you can connect it to any amplifier, and it has an external power supply which can be connected using a C-type cable. You can easily connect it to your existing amplifier or a powered speaker. It even comes with two programmable quick touch button presets and a volume control on top of it. Powered by a quad-core 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex A3 processor, the Nano integrates effortlessly with AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and if you're using Roon, it's Roon ready too. Future proofing is absolutely necessary. Nano will support DSD playback via a future software upgrade, ensuring it's relevant for years to come. It also features dual band Wi-Fi, gigabit Ethernet and IR learning capability, making it incredibly versatile and user friendly. In the box, you'll find an external USB power supply, a USB-C cable, the Cat6 cable and a stereo cable. Node Nano is versatile enough to be wall mounted or simply place it on the table. Whether you are upgrading your home stereo, setting it up as a multi-room audio system or streaming music in retail spaces, restaurants or gyms, the Node Nano delivers it. It works seamlessly with any external high-end gear, and you can even add multiple Nanos or other Blue Sound devices for an immersive multi-root audio experience. So there you have it. The Bluesound Node Nano is more than just a streaming device. It's your gateway to experience music like never before. Whether you are a casual listener or a die-hard audiophile, the device makes high-quality streaming accessible, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Ready to upgrade your music experience? Let me know in your comments which feature excites you the most, or what's the first song you'd play on the Nano. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, life's too short for bad audio. See you in the next video.